Okay, the Schlage Everest is one of those locks where when you first start learning about higher security locks, I mean, this isn't really a high security lock, but secondary locking mechanisms and things like that, it's sort of a goal, and I just never got around to getting one. I believe that's an open. There it is. Okay. Gonna use the old CLK mullet. It's the Schlage opening tool. There's really nothing all that remarkable about this, but given that it has the detent, once you learn that blocks have a little bit more going on than just standard pin tumbler and fancy pins, it becomes something of a goal, and I just never got around to getting one. I have the new style of Everest that I have another picking video about that has sliders, but this is just a pin tumbler. Actually, let me get this slider out first. You see there's a slider that sits blocking rotation, and then you just have to lift it. It's really quite easy, but if you don't know it's there, you're never going to get it open. This one looks like it was locksmith pinned instead of factory pinned. I bought it used on eBay. Just showed up today. Let's double check. I believe it's all just standard pins in here. Really nothing special. I don't know what's stock. I guess I suspect that this is just what's stock, and they, once upon a time, when this was sort of new to the market, they expected the little detent, that slider, to be the extra security. And I think once upon a time people sort of generally thought these were sort of higher security locks. But as the understanding of how to defeat them became more common knowledge, people realized that, well, it is not much extra to go and pick that. I don't know, maybe I'll add some spools or something to this. Who knows? Anyway, there's the Schlage Everest that little slider jabber thing there. C123.